Welcome back to our channel 1 Step where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can stop your friends from adding your other friends on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. So in order for your friends to stop adding your other friends on Snapchat, you need to turn off your quick add section. How you guys can do that is you need to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. And once you're inside your Snapchat profile, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. Now once you're inside Snapchat settings, scroll a bit until you see this option called privacy control. And right under privacy control, you can see this option called see me in quick add. Click on see me in quick add and just turn it off. Once you turn the see me in quick add option, basically you will not be recommended to other people. And when you're not recommended to other people, your friends are also not going to be recommended to other people. That's the first thing you can do. Then the second thing where it says contact me, click on it. And in contact me, as you guys can see over here, it shows you who can contact you directly with Snapchat. So make sure it's on friends. Once it's selected on friends, scroll a bit up until you see this option called contacts. Once you see this option called contacts, click on contacts and make sure over here where it says share contact with Snapchat is off. Click and confirm. Once you do that, Snapchat does not get, the permission to access your friends list. So turn it off and click on remove synced contact from Snapchat. Click on confirm. Once you do that, basically now Snapchat will not have access to your friends and it's not going to be able to suggest your friends to your other friends. So that's how you guys can stop your friends from adding your other friends on Snapchat, because if your other friends are not getting any friends suggested from you, how can they add your other friends, right? So that's the only way you guys can do it. But if they search the name of the person and add them, then you can't do anything, alright? Basically, they know their name, so they search for it. But through this method, you can stop the suggesting thing. So that's how you guys can do it. So hit the subscribe to our channel and bye-bye.